Looking for custom apparel printing near you? Here's exactly how to order from DTF Dallas. Start by going to the Custom Apparel section and choosing the product you want. You'll find options like t-shirts, hoodies, caps, and more, all fully customizable. Once you open a product, select your size. As you select different sizes, you may notice the pricing changes. This is completely normal depending on the size and product. Pick your color and adjust your quantity depending on how many items you need. Then choose your print placement. After that, upload your design. Make sure your file is high quality and print ready for the best results. In this example, we're using both pocket and backside print options. But you can also choose front only or combine placements based on your design. If you have any special instructions, you can leave them in the notes section, so everything comes out exactly how you want. Once everything looks good, add it to your cart and place your order. Simple, fast, and fully customizable, ready whenever you are.